guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Becky. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is my first video I am posting on my channel. I think it took me a good 4 years to finally gain the courage and take the time to start my YouTube channel. So I am finally here and starting. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create this look I have on today. Before we begin, I'm just going to say that I did try my best to make this video as easy to follow as possible. And without further ado, let's get right to it. So to begin, we're going with primer. So I start off with my foundation first and then I go on to my eyes. Next, we're gonna put on foundation. I am going in with my beauty blender and we're gonna blend it all out. So after foundation, I'm gonna put some concealer on. And we're just gonna blend the concealer right in. Alright, next, before we move on to putting powder on our face, I'm gonna prime my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going in with powder. I just want to go with a fluffy brush and powder your whole face. I'm just gonna go in with a clean beauty blender and bake my face now. Alright, so now we're gonna hop right into doing my brows. So first, you're gonna start off by brushing your eyebrow hairs in the direction you want them to lay. So in small strokes, you're just gonna go in the direction towards your ear. So I'm gonna go in with some concealer to just clean up my eye. So I'm just gonna go ahead and now finish up my left eyebrow. Okay, so now since we finished our brows, we're gonna hop right into doing our eyes. To begin, we're gonna get a base color, and I'm getting the color Peach Tea from the Too Faced Just Peachy palette. You wanna choose a color that's similar to your skin tone. Same palette, you're gonna get the shade Peach Punch, and I'm just using a fluffy brush. I am hefty with this color, so don't be afraid to put on a lot. So after you put this color on, we're going to go in with, I am using this shade. You're gonna focus this color right on the outer corner. You don't want to bring it too high up on your lid. This is just to give your eyes a little depth. I'm just gonna put some right on the inner lid area as well. And then go back with that peach punch color and sort of blend any harsh lines that got created. Next, we're going to put a little bit of shimmer on the inner halo of the eye that we just made. I'm going in with this shade from the same palette, and you're gonna put it right in the middle. So once you put it in the middle, you're gonna go back in with that dark pink that we got from that NARSISSIST palette, and we're going to blend that shimmer into the halo. And then we're gonna go in with the peach punch again, and then just blend the whole eye. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my left eye. So we're gonna put on some lashes now. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. This is how the lashes look. You can put on less full or even fuller, fluffier lashes, but I am sticking with these. You're gonna now go ahead and put your mascara on just to join the two lashes together. Alright, so now we're going to go finish off our face. Alright, so in the Silhouette palette, we're going in with these two shades, and we're going to mix them together. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it right where your cheek socket is. And then you're also gonna do your temples. avoid doing my forehead right here. But if you would like, you can go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen up that jawline and bring it like this, and then you're gonna bring it up like a letter L. And then you're also just going to push it upwards so that there is not a sharp line. So the whole thing about sharp line, you don't want any type of disconnection. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. I just use this fluffy type of brush to contour. I'm only using the shade Buff now. So I start off at the middle of my nose and then I push it upward. And then in the same palette, get the shade Light. You're gonna use this color to fix up any type of sharp lines and also to create your highlights on the bridge of your nose like that. And then go ahead and continue fixing until you like it. Now for blush, I'm getting a tapered brush and putting it right on my cheekbones. Now for highlight, we're gonna get this Cover FX highlighter. It is a liquid, so it is a bit hard to use, so if you don't want to use this, you can just skip this step. I'm gonna go ahead and put some gel on my eyebrows. This is just clear gel. I'm now gonna put some eyeshadow on my lower lashes. To finish off the look for your eyes, we're gonna put some mascara on your bottom lashes. To finish the look, we're gonna apply some lip color. So I'm gonna go ahead and now finish off with some setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair out and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to leave any comments or suggestions down below. And don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and family, and to subscribe. I will be posting my next video very soon, just a heads up. And thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I really appreciate it. In the meantime, stay safe, stay peaceful. Bye!